Okay, these are Sansa and Oakley's little boys. I have got Herman right here. He's a little, they're all petite, multi-gen goldendoodles. I have got 3 boys left. This is Herman. He's the darkest red and with white markings. Hi, buddy. And then we have, who else? Dudley and Clyde. They look a lot alike. So, but you can see them on our website. Just took fresh pictures of them today. Super good boys. I know. But they are party factored. Gonna be probably around 20 pounds is my guess. 15, 20 pounds. Hi. I know. Hi, bud.